everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Philine and today we're going to do unboxing. Yes, we're going to do unboxing today, and it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes. Okay, without further ado, let's do. And I just want to let you know that I do have Mercari down below. You can click it, and all our unboxing here, or 90% of our unboxing, are also for sale, and I give a very generous price for a lot of them. So yes, and don't be shy to make an offer. Ta-da! So this is the receipt. All right. Okay. So first, oh my god, I just realized that today is like a blue day, but I'm wearing red. So first thing is this beautiful hobo, and I am disappointed. Look, it has a ball pen mark on it. Wow. So this is a hobo shoulder bag, which is pretty nice, and I think this is the front. This hobo brand is pretty because of their leather, and their material is just really nice. And this one, I am going to return it because it has this mark on it, and I'm just not happy about it. But anyway, it happens a lot when you buy things online. And of course, the highlight of our unboxing is ta-da! Hang on, let me see. There. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's a bead bag. Oh my god, this is so chaotic. This is the bead bag in a blue and gray leather, and this one is the strap one. Actually, there are 3 of them, 2, and the chain here. So it's really pretty. And I've been looking for this for a while, and they don't go on sale, and so I did not buy it, but they went on sale, so I did buy it. So there you go. And this is disclosure magnetic, and this is genuine glove ton leather, and these are 1, 2, 3 compartments. There you go. And of course it comes with the dust bag, and it's really nice, and have the letter C in here. So far it is actually really pretty, and I just love that. Love. Oh my god. And this is so really nice with the dark blue and a lighter, it's like a gray, and the bottom is a dark blue, the same as this one. So it's really pretty. So you can wear it 3 ways. You can wear it as just 2 ways, just a handbag and a crossbody and a shoulder bag. So it's 3 way you can wear it. Yay, how pretty is that? It's a bead, they called it bead bag. And this one is okay, this one is originally $550, and of course I did not buy that for that price, and I just want to hold it like this. It's just pretty. Yay! If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe in my channel. I do a lot of unboxing and hauls and reviews, and I do also vlog sale, and I am an online reseller. I do sell a lot of stuff, and you can click my Mercari down below and check it out. There is a lot of sale, and you can offer me the price. But of course, please don't lowball me, okay? All right, and have a wonderful day. Bye.